Hey dolls, in today's eyebrow tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to do a high arched brow. And the first thing I'm doing is just taking my dark eyebrow pencil, which you can get from anywhere. I'm just filling in my brows. I start from the tail of my brows because it's easier to like map out and shape out how you want your brows to look. I'm just doing the same step on the other eyebrow now. So I know this is really fast, but all you lots need to do is make light strokes whilst you're filling out your eyebrows and just, go by your natural eyebrow shape to gauge how you want it to look. I like my brows looking very arched, so that's what I did there. I'm taking my Wet n Wild concealer to conceal my brows, and I'm using a lighter concealer because I want it to be a bit more highlighted at the bottom. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go in with a bit of a darker one for the top. So yeah, we're just concealing the brows and really take your time with this. Even though it's sped up, I really did take my time with this. Like, you don't want it to go wrong. You want to really conceal those brows. Literally. So yeah. So now I'm just still concealing them, but now I'm blending it with a beauty blender. I always find it easy to blend my eyebrows with a beauty blender. I feel like beauty blenders just help everything blend in very well, and it makes sure that it's seamless and it's just even. Like, beauty blenders for me just do the job, so I love using a beauty blender to blend in the concealer for my brows. I'm now taking a darker concealer, the Honey Milani 2-in-1 concealer, and I'm using that for the top of my brows. You know, you always just use a concealer closer to your skin tone for the top just so it blends a bit easier. And I'm really shaping out them brows. Yeah. So when doing this step, you want to make sure you really, you shape it out well, because sometimes one could be bigger than the other. I thought one was bigger than the other. You can't always, get it perfect. Your eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. Now for that pink effect, I'm going in with my blush palette and I'm just taking that blush and I'm placing it on my eyebrows. I just wanted my eyebrows to look a bit tinted. That's what I do now, obviously, because I've got hot pink hair. I make my eyebrows look a bit tinted. Some people just go straight in with the pink and they wouldn't even put brown, but I feel like the brown just makes it look a bit, it just makes it look a bit nicer, not too harsh, not too sharp, and not too bright. It's your eyebrows, you don't want to be doing too much. But yeah, I just always love adding that pink tint to it. I just love it, honestly. So that's what we're doing, just adding that pink tint, making sure it is done well. Normally I would do it before I conceal the brows, but I just forgot. So normally, guys, just add your tint to it if you've got coloured hair anyways, just before you conceal the brows, not after, because it's a bit harder. But I still, I still did it. Now I'm just blending in that concealer, further blending. And what am I doing now? Yeah, just penciling it a bit more and we're done. Look at those brows. Yes. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe.